This week, we surprised Mathea with a visit with her favorite animal, the goat. Well, not that many goats, but stay tuned to see how it all turned out. What do you see?
That's Odie. Oh, that's Odie. Guys.
So Mathea, we wanted to surprise you with a goat greeting. He's got a bunch of baby goats. What do you think?
What do you mean? What do I think? Okay, I packed a backpack. Odie's in here. We're gonna go see the cuties. They're adorable. Goat family.
Is this your dream?
No, my dream is to have a pet one.
Oh. Well, let's just look at them here. Oh, look at, they're talking.
Come here.
Oh, he's excited to see you. Look at. Look at, he's coming to see you. Just
He's
watch,
coming.
this is her. Here.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
How are you? See what I mean with their eyes?
And look at the babies are all down there. Should we go see Anton?
Yeah.
A meet and greet with Odie? Oh, look at this beard.
Oh,
I love the beard. Hello. Oh, look at.
He's trying to eat the grass.
Hi.
He's eating the grass.
Is he eating the grass?
They're just biting.
Watch out. He's got some teeth. Oh, look at this guy. Oh. Leaning right in. Look at him go.
Buddy.
Buddy? Yeah, just watch. Don't get your fingers in there. Oh, he's eating some grass.
Where? That's Big Billy. That's Big Billy.
Big Billy? Oh, careful. Don't put your fingers in. They like it. Look at these guys. He's so cute. Hello.
Grab my phone here.
Can we pet them?
I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Oh, and they have like a whole obstacle course? Hi. Yeah.
Look at their tail.
Hi. Hi.
You want it? No? They all want the grass.
So watch your fingers.
Yeah.
Oh, they're
she swallowed.
cute.
Aww.
What is this?
I guess I was reading my bucket list on the way here. I guess I could cross. We just jumped on this one. Hi.
You can cross this off. A meet and greet with a goat.
And almost he's licking the post over here.
You want to do like a long green piece like this?
He's eating his cage.
Oh.
They're quite
Go
mischievous.
like this.
That's so cute.
Look
Hi.
at this one. He's eating his cage. He likes
Hello.
Scratching his teeth.
Hi. You are too cute.
They all love us over here. They don't like to be over there. Guys,
You gonna do it?
subscribe if you like goats. And also like because you like goats. If you don't, that's just me.
They're so cute.
And comment down below what you think their names are.
He did it. Hey?
No. Look
You
at
can't have me?
he wants to eat it.
No. You can't have me, he says. Oh. Look
They're
at.
kind of feisty. Look at, there goes the kid. He can drop on there. He can jump on here.
Yeah.
Let's jump on him.
No.
We better not.
Sweet. Oh, hello. Hi. You got a few little horns on this buddy.
Tiny horn.
Yeah, this guy's got little. Oh. Look at these guys. Oh, he says, I want attention.
Look at the little horns.
Mini horns.
Yeah.
I'm getting a new
Hello.
way.
Oh, hello. Here, Anton. Look at this beard.
Odie's feeding a goat.
Oh, look at the ones on this one
Come here, goat.
Yeah,
and that one.
a little more horns.
Just like Odie's.
Yeah,
Hey, see?
mine are bound. Does he like that?
You eat it? It's kind of crunchy for them. I think they like green ones, not straw.
These are the gun range.
Hey, come here. Now I'm in. You guys want to come in too?
Yep.
Let's see. Come here, guys. Come here. You pet it. Hi. Hi. Look at this beard.
Yeah, that's a girl with no horns. It's not very soft.
But this guy is.
It's like a horse.
Look at.
These are like horses.
They're like horsies.
Yeah.
Look at his little horns.
You guys want to come over here?
Oh, he missed it.
They have all this
See?
space, and all they like is this area, and they poop
Oh yeah.
everywhere.
That's how it goes. Right? With a goat.
You think Big Billy has a daughter or son? Yeah, that's a son.
You think so? Don't know.
Oh, look at their. I like how they twitch their ears.
Mm-hmm.
Itchy, itchy. The baby.
Let's see, Mathea, try to get them to go over here. They got like a little ramp and then it'll turn. Do you think they'll go?
Hey,
Hey?
come guys. Come on. Come on, Mama.
Come on, guys. Do you think they do it? Oh, look it.
Oh my God!
Well, I'm sure I'll be back before you guys leave. If you guys are going. Right?
Isn't he cute? Oh, sweetheart.
This is little Billy.
Look at the little
Someone's
little
stinky.
horns. Hi. Are you just sweet?
Yep.
You are just so sweet. Oh, hey, that's my finger. Hey,
This morning and then.
Mathea, look at he keeps getting my finger. Hey,
Goats.
hey.
Hey, mommy. Look at. Guys, watch this.
Nah. Nah.
Oh,
Yeah.
somebody answered back. Oh, Anton,
That
look
black
at.
and white one likes to
Do you
respond.
like to pet
You
him?
want to hold it, Anton?
Yeah.
You want to hold one?
I think he will poop.
This one's
No, it's okay. Just go gentle.
Whatever.
He likes it.
Well, enjoy.
I want to carry him.
Do you?
Yeah, I
Okay.
big backbone.
Okay. You go.
How do they not get tired when they're just standing there?
This guy's little. You
Come
should-
here.
That's the tiniest one. Big
Okay,
Billy.
Anton.
little
Are you gonna hold a goat? Let's see.
Look at that smile.
Is that the best
Put
thing?
him down now?
Oh,
He's so sweet.
Here, I do.
did you hold a goat?
Him pet my
Which one?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
I want to hold another one.
You want to hold another one?
How about the big one?
No. That's too big for me. I'll get
You want to
bigger.
go hold that little one over there?
No, when I get bigger, I can hold that one.
Okay. I don't know if Daddy can even hold that
I
one.
don't think Daddy could even hold it. He's pretty big.
When I get big, I can carry him.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Who wants to be the
I'm gonna carry him
Me.
all by myself.
I'll pick you up.
There's a goat.
Meh,
Me.
meh, meh,
They talk to you.
meh, meh. I'm gonna carry carry him.
That black and white one.
Can I carry him?
You want to try another one? Okay.
Yeah.
Daddy,
I don't even want to go for a hike
could
at
you
this
help
point.
him? Yeah.
You want to hold him again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me
I don't know how to
get up from here. Oh, Anton,
Guys.
he likes
Take my phone
you.
out of here and take it.
Okay.
Guys,
Oh, Mathea, he likes you.
he's getting kind of squirmy. I'll let him go.
Okay. Is he trying to eat you?
No, he's just following me.
Let's see.
He's
Oh,
licking
he's
you.
eating your shirt. He's eating your shirt now.
Oh, you guys are funny.
Mathea, come. I want to get a picture of you holding the goat.
That guy's pretty calm.
Okay. He's trying to eat your shirt. Let's see. Mathea, look at mommy.
Traveling light and living simple. Soon a melody begins to rise. Traveling light and living simple. No matter which side is green, you're satisfied. No matter which side is green, you're satisfied.